morning everyone. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I am Rutika Raut going to tell you about history of Ganesh Utsav in Pune. Lord Ganesha is considered as the god of beginning and the remover of obstacles as well as the god of wisdom and intelligence. Even Shivaji Maharaj had a great faith in Lord Ganesha and believed that all his success was due to the Lord's blessing. It is in keeping with tradition that Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj began their mission of taking back Maharashtra from Adil Shah. The tradition continued with the Peshwas, who prayed to Ganpati when Peshwa Bajirao had Shaniwar Wada constructed. He set up Ganesha in the fort, which can be seen even today. They built that door first. Even the Darbar Hall was called Ganesh Rang Mahal, where a gold idol of Ganesha was established. Dhol Tasha is a part of our military history. During the wars of Shivaji Maharaj, Dhol Tasha would be played to inspire soldiers. Sainiks would beat dhols and sing war songs.
Ganesh Utsav is one of the biggest festivals that is celebrated with great zeal in Maharashtra. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak started Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav and mobilized people through Ganesh festival. The aim was to unite people and fight against the British government. In 1893, Lokmanya Tilak praised the celebration of Ganeshotsav in his newspaper Kesari and Maratha. In 1857, the British had stopped the War of Independence and killed the revolutionaries. So, fear had seeped into the hearts of people. Tilak had an idea that the Ganesh Puja being held in every home in Pune should be made into a community or Sarvajanik worship. He made up his mind to place Ganesh Ji in every chowk. Ganesh Chaturthi acquired a more organized form all over India during the Swaraj movement. The Lord Ganesha was the symbol of might during the freedom struggle.
Today, I am Mrs. Ashwini Chaudhary is going to share information about 5 Manache Ganpati in Pune. Pune as being the birthplace of Ganesh festival, now celebrated all over India and abroad as well. It has its own share of rich history. The Pune has 5 Manache Ganpatis, which I am going to tell the information about them.
Our पहिला मानाचा गणपती is Kasba Ganpati. Kasba Ganpati is the presiding deity, also known as the Gram Devata of Pune. Kasba Ganpati is originated during Shivaji Maharaj era. Jijamata, a keen devotee, built the temple in the beginning of the 17th century. Our दुसरा मानाचा गणपती is तांबडी जोगेश्वरी गणपती. Our दुसरा मानाचा गणपती is तांबडी जोगेश्वरी गणपती. It is believed that Tamde Jogeshwari idol appeared on its own in Ma Durga temple in the year 1545 AD, after which Tembak Bendre built a temple for it in 1705. Lokmanya Tilak is said to have given this temple the second highest honor, means Dusra Manacha Ganpati. Now, our Tisra Manacha Ganpati is Guruji Talim Ganpati. Tisra Manacha Ganpati is Guruji Talim Ganpati. Guruji Talim Ganpati holds the third most respected place, or is the third most revered Ganpati in Pune, which was established by two Hindu and Muslim families of Bhikkhu Shinde and Ustad Nalman, and hence it is a prestigious symbol of peace, unity and harmony between Hindu and Muslim. According to a report, the Dhol Tasha Patak was first started by this group. Our चौथा मानाचा गणपती is तुळशीबाग Ganpati. This is 15 feet high idol of Ganesh is considered as the fourth Manacha Ganpati in Pune and was established in the year 1905. By the huge Ganpati idol is adorned by beautiful and heavy silver ornaments. It is located in the middle of Tulshibag Market, Pune. Now, our पाचवा मानाचा गणपती. पाचवा मानाचा गणपती is केसरीवाडा गणपती. केसरीवाडा गणपती is the fifth most honorable Ganpati in Pune, which was installed by freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak himself in 1893 at his own house Kesariwada. The painting present in the temple narrate the story of Tilak's life. Thank you.
पार्वती सुत शिव के लाल मूषक जिनकी सवारी है वो एकदंताय गणाधीशाय लंबोदराय वक्रतुंडाय विघ्नराजाय जगत के पालनहारी ऐसे बापा को शतशः प्रणाम. गणेश उत्सव we celebrate every year all over India. This festival we celebrate for a period of 10 days, and on the last day Ganesh idols will be immersed into rivers or lakes by requesting Ganpati Bappa Moria पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. With the passion of celebrating this festival, we generally forget the hazardous impact of the immersion of idols on environment. We all need to realize that as it is very important to worship the God and celebrate the festival, it is equally important to think about the environment. These plaster of Paris idols reduce oxygen level in the water, which kills fishes and other aquatic organisms. Idols, which are made up of plaster of Paris, cement and plastic, do not dissolve in the water and blocks the natural flow of water. Apart from this, unfortunately, people do not stick to the prescribed noise levels during these festivals. Noise pollution can cause temporary and permanent damage to your health, as it increases blood pressure, the risk of hearing impairment, stress, inability to concentrate, and so on. So I request you all try to save our environment by choosing eco-friendly Ganesh idols. So try to save our environment by choosing eco-friendly Ganesh idols. I wish may the power of Devashri Ganesha destroy your sorrows, enhance your happiness, and create goodness all around you.
Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival which is celebrated in Maharashtra to worship Lord Ganesh is becoming more eco-friendly nowadays. Generally, Ganesh Murtis are made of plaster of Paris are immersed in water after Ganesh Chaturthi, which harms the water bodies. Many of the people are practicing the eco-friendly idol during Ganesh Chaturthi. Eco-friendly Ganesh Murtis are made of organic soil, mud, natural colors. So, why should you use eco-friendly Ganesh idols? Because it saves our water resources. Eco-friendly idols won't hurt any living creatures in the water. It protects human health because in eco-friendly idols there are no such poisonous elements are used. While eco-friendly Ganesh idols are not made with any such sparkles, fake diamonds and glitters. It is easily available everywhere by bringing eco-friendly Ganesh idols and conserving nature with going green every Ganesh Chaturthi. How to recognize eco-friendly idols? Plaster of Paris idols are almost very lighter in weight and painted with toxic and shiny colors, while eco-friendly murtis are heavier in weight and natural color are made being used to paint them, which is help to keep our water bodies clean even after Ganesh Chaturthi. So once again use eco-friendly Ganesh idols. Save India, make India.